my number 4 challenge for 2022. It's going to be a bit of a different one today. I'm going to be walking over from Walney Island to Piel Island. So we live on the coast, so when the sea's out, you can walk over to this island called Piel Island. I've never done it before, so I'm quite looking forward to it. I've dragged my mum along with me to do this challenge. I think this is more in her comfort zone rather than the abseiling and everything like that. I'm going to film a few short clips along the way. So many more people than what we thought. There's about 40 of us walking over. We've got to wait for the tide to fully go out. Obvious reasons. The guy's got a big stick in case we get stuck in sinking sand, so there's sinking sand over there as well. It sounds quite good because we're going to get told like the history of Piel Island. So I'm just going to sit there.
Identify by the shape of this what particular species of shark this has come from.
Now, I'm going to talk about these little guys who are actually sticking up here. These are yarrows, yarrow flowerheads. Now this is an incredible little plant. Now it's really good for stopping bleeding. It's also antiseptic and antimicrobial. If you were to get a cut and you're in the wild and it's not stopping, you could actually use this plant, put it directly into a wound and it would stem that bleeding and help you not get an infection.
So we've just finished the tour of Piel Island. It was so good, it was so insightful, we learned so much. So yeah, we're going to go down there, follow across the sand and get back to the camp. However, it failed miserably, so this has been a much better attempt. You can see Piel Island in the background where I've just walked to, and yeah,
I'd just like to say thank you to Ben and John for taking us. What's your company called again?
It's Just Imagine.
Just Imagine. So if you want to go and walk over to Piel, or you're doing some other adventure, nature-like activities.
All year we've got plans. My young Bear Grylls here on the left-hand side is going to do all the plants and I'll do all the history.
So we just got back from the walk, and if you'd like to follow on watching my 22 challenges for 2022, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok, where I'll also be keeping everyone up to date. And please remember, if you'd like to donate to the Alzheimer Society, the link is in my description below. Any donations are much appreciated, and thank you so much to everyone who's already donated. An early sign that someone may be developing dementia is that if they start to forget things. But this isn't the only symptom of dementia. They may start getting confused, may just act totally different. And if you're worried about yourself or someone else, make sure to get in touch with a healthcare professional such as your GP, or you can also contact the Alzheimer Society for some more support. Thank you if you've made it this far and you've watched the video, and I'll see you in the next challenge.